M0FXB Hamtech, welcome to my channel. Quick one on the RADTEL 470. Now these over Christmas were reduced drastically, so I got one. I thought I'd quickly do the unboxing. So just lift the lid, and it's a VHF UHF radio. Got a flexi antenna. Get everything out of the box, and then we'll properly look at this. Did have a instruction manual. Okay. Very basic, but there is one there. Nice sketch. Okay, we've got our radio, our little charger. It's only USB charge anyway. Will it even hold a dock? Yeah, I mean, I'm sure there is a dock made for it, but this one didn't come with a charging dock. It was reduced. It does have a nice big battery, 2600 milliamp. Which you remove just by pushing that, and then it slides. And there's the actual device marked as the RT470X 5 watt. Yeah, we could test that, couldn't we? It does feel nice and solid. Take that cover off. Let's turn it on. It did come with a belt clip, just 2 screws, which is on. Belt strap there if you want to use that. Yeah, it's got a nice chunky feel to it. Let's turn it on, put the antenna on. Oh, proper little TV screen. That's actually really nice. The nice big letters. It's quite a big looking display. I've got the RADTEL, the one that's similar is the GMRS 8900. I'll just show them side by side. It is the same screen, but the radio feels bigger. It's got a torch on the top. You don't have a channel change knob. They put a torch. I actually prefer channel change, but I do like the size and the feel of the RADTEL 470X on the left. Let's get the light on permanently. So we go menu. Now I've literally just turned this on, so we're just going to quickly scroll through, try and remember how to get the backlight on, which memory, sorry, there's your TX power on 11. Scroll through, there's a timeout on the menu that you can see. Interesting, it's on the sort of PMR, GMRS type frequencies at the moment. The one thing I will say about the GMRS 8900, I think it is, it does have Bluetooth GPS, so I don't think this has got it. We'll look, but I don't think it will have that. Anyway, power is on menu 10. Let's keep going through. Roger, timeout is how long you speak. We can set that, increase that a bit. Just by going up. It's about 180, oh, they are 240. You select it when it goes red. So let's go to the next item. Just keep going. So going up to go higher numbers. Wide, narrow, language. Now is that the backlight? Or, no, busy lockout feature. That means if someone's talking, it won't let you TX. It's got a radio, I just saw that. These are your programmable buttons. You can set scan search, you can see that there. Programming channels. I've done these on using the radio. It's not that hard to program. Weather channels, I can see that. Top light, oh yes, your torch. That's your backlight. Let's see if we can turn that. You press OK, it goes red, and then you adjust to on. On is flashing red, then press OK. So that's our backlight on. Offset, we're going to need that. So 27 is the offset. 28 is the shift. Just making a note of this for when we do a repeater in a minute. And then we don't want to scan, but if you want to scan CTCSS, it's menu 29. Power on logo. Yeah, this will power on with a photograph. DTMF, yeah, it'll work. You just push the PTT and dial, it'll work. Tone. Menu exit time, that could be longer, couldn't it? It's a bit quick, isn't it? Yeah, 15 is more like it. You can exit as well, just pressing the back button here. There may be a secret menu on this. Name. Dual receive, that's good to know. I wonder if it will receive two at the same time. So dual receive is 47, it's dual, basically dual watch. TX A and B. No, we're not really, I'm going past the stuff that we're not even going to ever use. You can reset it, which is nice to know, because many radios you can't reset. And look, there's the firmware, so I've got 12.12a version. Yeah, so I wonder if there's a new firmware. And look, that'll probably give us a QR code. Nope, no QR code for us today. Usually it'll give you a QR code. Shame, because that does come in handy to find the software, but I'll find the software separate. So let's just put in frequency, so VFO mode. Well, let's just quickly show you some of the basics around the radio. So PTT, you can see there. You've got a second button. They've made it look like a PTT. So if you go to B band by just pressing the back button is also an A and B band. So there's A, B, what says main, main. Go to the sub and type in, I'm going to type in my node, 434. Now you type in frequencies, and it is a nice big screen. You do need to be in VFO mode. So to go into VFO, which they call frequency mode, you hold down the back. Channel mode, which is basically memory mode. Hold it again.
Frequency mode.
We can now type frequencies. So now I'm just seeing if it's a PTT or not.
On.
At the moment it says radio, but we might be able to set that in the menu to a PTT, maybe. Definitely torch is here. Torch here. And yes, you can. You've got a twin pin, and that'll be your programming cable. I'll have to work out. I don't think a both on one will do it, but they're not. They won't be expensive. They'll be like £5. Nice big LED on the top and the emergency button, and the top is just volume and then on off, and then you get this flexi budget antenna, and they work fine. Remember, it's where you are that matters. Having a big battery, that's a big plus for me, because that will last for ages, that battery. So anyway, let's just try and we go back to the A band. We're pushing the back button. Type in that node number.
3.
Hang on a minute. How did we do that? I accidentally started scrolling through the bands there. Now this is advertised as a 6-band radio.
42.
So I wonder how I just check how I scrolled through that band. As I was pressing, that this little star arrow here makes it scan.
Scanning begin.
So you saw that, and it will scan memory channels, or if you're in VFO, let's press back. Now when I press back there, oh, it's just going back. So it's going through to 77s, 2 meters, and 220 megs. It looks like it does cover PMR. Just trying to stop the scanning. Okay. What's the hash do? Let's press that. Hash has got DTMF. Back out. So that's how you do your DTMF by pressing the hash. Let's try again. I didn't hear the DTMF. But we'll press hash, and we'll go. I would do star 341522. Key. Let's try again. Let's turn it up. Star. Oh, it's got shortcuts there. Look, I'm pressing the star there. It's showing reverse tone. Lock and unlock is holding the hash.
Lock. Unlock. 0. 0.
That's the 0 if I hold it. Nothing at all on that. Yes, up and down with the frequencies. Let's put a tone in there. So we'll go menu.
Menu.
27. We can just type the menu number and we'll look for tone. CTCSS, press menu.
CTCSS.
77. Menu.
Confirm.
Exit.
CTCS. Confirm.
With the back button. That's my node. Let's try the DTMF now. Press the hash, then we'll go star 341522 PTT. I can hear that. Didn't kick in, but I could hear it. Try again. Star 3. Actually, no, we want the star. Let's push that again. Star 341522. Oh no. Which one's the delete? Start again. See it coming through. Ah, that actually worked.
BNET connected to M0FXB.
It liked the A. It didn't mind the A. Just need someone to chat now. And then on the A band, we've got it on dual watch. So if we go back to A, put in one. Go into VFO mode first, I think. Hold it.
Frequency mode 1 4 5 6 0 0.
Okay, we're dual watch now. That's my repeater and my node. So if you wanted to set a repeater, I noticed that there is like an auto shift. If we stay on the A band, keep it on 145600 VFO mode. I notice you've got this auto sort of tone thing. Let's go to the A band a minute. So we're on the A band at the moment. There's no shift. Okay. Turn this on. Press the little arrow here. It turns on. Press it twice. Tone. Okay. The power's at high at the moment. So we just go menu.
Menu.
I think it was around 26. Let's go up. Offset.
Offset. Frequency.
Press OK. Then go 0 0 6
6 0 0.
Then confirm. It's red at the moment. Oh, and here's another 0
0.
Confirm.
Confirm.
Then go down. Up 1 2. Actually, exit that a minute. We've done the offset. We need the shift. There we are. We need minus.
Frequency direction.
Then we go up and down till it's red. Is in red, it's minus.
Confirm.
Confirmed. And we do need to make sure we've got the right tone, but that should give us our shift, yeah, on the A band. Look, M0FXB test. We just need to make sure our tone is correct. 94.8. Oh, looks like WR's back on, I think. There we go, menu.
Menu.
And then we're going to go to, let's keep going down these menus until we see CTCSS. What was that? Scan. No, we want transmit. That was tone. Oh, right to the top there. Ah, there it is there. It's menu number 6. There we go, menu.
CTCSS.
And go up to 94.8 until it's in red.
Confirm.
Confirmed. There you are. Back out. Now that's M0FXB test. No, we're not making it. So what we did here on the B band was my node. If I go to B, there it is there. And it actually said B. It's actually said B. So that's it really. I think that's good just for an unbox. Quick overview. First impressions. You got your repeater in there. Let's see if we can just quickly add that to memory. Go menu. Let's just go back into menu.
Menu.
And then we'll go we're looking for memory channel, okay? There it is there, and we can choose our channel, so we'll go OK.
Memory channel.
So memory channel is basically menu 2. We'll go down. Let's do 10 so we remember. So channel memory 10.
Transmitting memory.
I think you have to do this twice.
Memory channel. Transmitting memory. Memory channel. Transmitting memory.
I thought you had to do it twice, but let's just exit. And then we'll go to memory channel by holding down the back arrow.
Channel mode.
It's not there yet. Look, see that? It's not there in number 10. So I think I'll come back on that one, do a completely separate video. I noticed that the broadcast radio does work really well.
On. Off.
Quickly look at those programmable buttons as well. I thought that was quite interesting. Look, you can edit the name there once you've got a memory. Scrolling through. What's that? Super mode. Wide and narrow was there, wasn't it? 15. There's PF2. So I would say that's PF2. Program. See what it allows us. Monitor. PTTB. So you do get a PTTB.
Confirm.
So that's why it's got that orange colour. So now the B section. Look, so we now have 2 PTTs. So it can be done. Bye for now, 7-3.